Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurin Akila binti Syian, matrix number 23, the IB 20L1004. So today, my group's mate and I will present about value proposition canvas of our business product. In this group consists of 4 group members, that is I myself, Nurin Akila, that is Izatul Jannah binti Cik Kamaruddin, also we have Ania Shakira binti Abdul Aziz, and lastly we have Lailatul Amira binti Mazul. We are from group 7 in class DIB 3. Next, we go to the next slide. In this slide, I will present about VPC in general and my teammates will go through it one by one. So first, in VPC, we have product or services. So our group choose to run the TFN Brownie product. TFN Brownie product is stand for the famous Nisha Brownies. Next, we also have here the gain creators. What is gain creators? Gain creators describe how our product and service create customer gains. It is how we intend to create benefits that our customer expect, desire or would be surprising by including functional utility, social gains, positive emotion and cost savings. Other than that, we also have pain relievers. It is describe how our product alleviate or reduce negative emotion, undesired cost and situation or risk that our customer may experience throughout getting the job done. So next, if we have gain creators and pain relievers, we will also have gains and pains. So gains is the benefit which is the customers expects and needs, what will delight customer and the thing which may increase likelihood of adopting a value proposition. While pains is the negative experience, emotion and risk that the customer experience in the process of getting the job done. And lastly, jobs to be done. So it is essentially what the customer hopes to accomplish in their daily lives. Functional, social and emotional tasks. The progress that the customer is trying to make in a given circumstance. So next slide, we will go through one by one starting with product. So as I said earlier, our product is from TFN Brownie. It is definitely a snack product. It is unique because rarely we see brownies in snack category. So it has 4 famous flavors, which is red velvet, suitable for those who less interested with chocolate. And next, chocolate chip, which is the main character of brownies flavor. Also we have mint flavor that is so refreshing, strong flavor with more menthol taste, very recommended for those who love mint. And lastly, we have walnut flavor for those who love a combination of chocolate and nuts. But that's all from me. My teammates will continue this presentation.
We see for gains. First, personalized discount. If the customer asks for the discount, we will give a discount for them. Second, save back when we want to COD or like we want to post it, we will use bubble wrap so the product gets damaged. And third, flawless automatic payment. Last, we have a secure platform. We have WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram. For pains, customer thinks it's hard to store. Second, customer busy to go out because they have work to do and they just want to buy it online, or they lazy to go out. Last one, expensive.
I will present to you guys about gain creators. The first gain creators are discount providers. This gain creator is related to gain personalized discounts. We will give discounts to customers according to festival like Hari Raya and Chinese New Year. This can attract customers to buy our product or repurchase our products. Next, customer preference. These creators gains are related to save the gains. This show we put customer first in our business. We will make sure customers are satisfied with our service from the buy until the goods reach them. After that, can be paid by cash and online. This gain creator is related to gain flawless automatic payment. This can make it easier for customers if they do not have time to pay cash. They can pay using online banking and do not need to leave home. Lastly, easy to order. Gains Creator is related to secure platform. It makes it easier for customers to make purchases because we have a secure platform. They also don't have to worry about their money being lost or cheated. Next, I will talk about pain relievers. As my friend explained pain a moment ago, the first pain is expensive. Therefore, the pain relievers for this pain are cheap and affordable. This product is also sold at price of 15 ringgit and below. Everyone can own this product because it is not too expensive and affordable. The second pain is customers busy to go out, so the pain relievers are delivery and postage available. We provide this service to make it easier for customer to get our product without having to leave home. We provide delivery for customers who live near us and postage for customers who live far from us. The last pain is hard to store, so the pain relievers are providing Ziploc paper bags. Customers do not have to find a place to store our products for fear of them being damaged because the bags we have provided are suitable for our durable products.
Next, we continue with job to be done. The first one is really stress. People need to chill and really stress after they going through all their life. Next, if they buy a food, they need to pay for the food. Also, they wanted eating snack when they got bored or do something else like watching a movie. Last, they need to satisfy their tummy with the food. We do a survey at our area neighborhood as we have 21 responses to the survey for people living at Port Dickson, Rantau and Polytechnic. Kami tanya umur and then status. Soalannya adalah anda suka makanan rangup and kebanyakan 61.9% suka dengan makanan rangup. Waktu bila suka makan makanan ringan adalah sewaktu malam. Itu sebanyak 71.4%. Soalan seterusnya adalah anda rasa ingin punya sesuatu yang rangup dan lezat ketika waktu bila? 7.1% sewaktu bosan, 23.8% ketika lapar dan 9% waktu mengulang kaji dan ketika bekerja tiada. Penggemar coklat chip sebanyak 61.9% dan penggemar mint sebanyak 14.3% dan seterusnya red velvet sebanyak 19%, sebanyak 4.8% well done.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We sell TFM brownie. TFM brownie is a food or snack. What's so special about TFM brownie? We have 4 flavor, which is chocolate chip, mint, walnut, and also red velvet. In BMC, we have 9 structure. It's customer segment, customer relationship, channel, value proposition, revenue stream, key activities, key resources, key partner. The last one cost structure. So the first one is customer segment, area Rantau and Port Dickson. Because we live in area Rantau and also Port Dickson, so we can COD at our own area. In the second one, neighbor. For the neighbor, we can promote our product to our neighbor and sell it to them. And the last one, student Polytechnic PD and Nilai. One of our team member is live in Polytechnic PD, so she can promote our TFM brownie to a student in PD.
Next, I will present about the value proposition in business model canvas. The first is the affordable price. TFM brownie has a reasonable and affordable price. Therefore, everyone can own this product without affecting their income. Next, easy to store. TFM brownie have a Ziploc paper bag that makes them undamaged and faithfully crunchy. Customer also don't have to think of a place to store TFM brownies for fear of spoiling. The lastly is unique brownie. A TFM brownie is a unique food because it is a thin, crunchy, and delicious brownie. Next, we move to the channel, which is a platform that we use to promote our sales. We also use this channel to find customers who are interested in our products. Among the channels used is WhatsApp. We will promote our product on WhatsApp status and customers who watch the status can immediately message us on WhatsApp. Next channel is Instagram. We will also promote our products on Instagram regularly. We have also put info on how to purchase on our Instagram to facilitate customers. Next, Facebook. We also use Facebook to display our sales, products in detail and send posts about our product to further attract customers. The customer relationship is the next item on the business model canvas. In business, we must maintain a relationship with customers so that they feel comfortable dealing with us and also comfortable buying the product we have to offer. The first customer relationship is to save the customer's number and update their WhatsApp status. This is because customers will be able to see updates about our business more clearly. They will also buy more of our products in the future because they is interested in what is seen in the WhatsApp status. Then there is customer support. It is very important for sellers to add enthusiasm to us not to give up on running a business that has various challenges. The last one is asking customers for their feedback. With this, we can know the customer's view of our product and can improve if there are any shortcomings faced by the customer.
Let's continue with this presentation. Our business earn money from sales and delivery postage charge from customer. So that become our revenue stream. Next, our key resources, which is capital to start this business. Network to the people around us, either face to face or not, like social media. And also laptop and phone because we create posts and communicate with customer using laptop and phone. In this business, we have some activities that become our key activities, which is marketing activities, content preparation for every week such as hard sale, soft sale, and teaser. Next, to get a customer, we need a communication to our customer. And also online and offline selling. That's all from me. Thank you.
So today, I will continue my group's presentation of business model canvas for our business product. So I will begin at key partners. Key partners are the partners of the relationship that we have with other business, governmental or non-consumer entities that help our business model work. So first, this can be the relationship that our company has with our suppliers. Also, my partner, which is my team member, because without them, I will definitely not be able to do all these tasks and business. So they are really important in our business work. Other than that, our key partners are factory workers who produce and pack our products. Therefore, reseller, because we get revenue if there are resellers who buy our product at market price and resell them to others. Next slide is cost structure. Cost structure is the aggregate of the various type of costs, fixed and variables, that make up a business overall expenses that our team use cost structure to set pricing and identify areas where expenses can be reduced. So firstly, the stock product. The stock product is one of our main costs because we have to take and keep a lot of stock for 8 weeks. Due to that, we don't take stock on a weekly basis, but we do take once a lot for 8 weeks of our assignment. So next cost is petrol expenses. This cost arise when we have to do the delivery ourselves to the customer's home. Moreover, prepaid expenses. This is because we need a strong internet connection to chat with customer, do advertisement at social media such as WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram of our product updated in a daily basis. And we also need a good internet connection when being outside the house area to deliver goods and so on. Lastly, it is cost of items for delivery such as plastics and bubble wrapping. If customers want to do cash on delivery to their home, we are transparent plastic bag. But if we need to deliver the product outside of our available area, we will use the courier service. So we have to pay for the bubble wrapping or inflatable air wrap to make the delivery via courier service. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.